Okay, so for what feels like forever, science fiction movies have been promising us humanoid robots, right? Well, guess what? That future is officially here. But you can forget what you've seen in the movies. The real AI revolution is actually taking physical shape, and it's kicking off one of the biggest tech races in history.
And that's really the heart of it. We need to forget about chatbots for a second, because this is about intelligent machines that can walk, talk, and actually work right alongside us in the physical world. It's a huge leap forward, taking AI off our computer screens and putting it into our factories, our warehouses, and yeah, eventually, even our homes.
And that brings us to the billion-dollar question, doesn't it? This isn't just some cool tech demo. It's a super high-stakes competition between two absolute giants, and each one has a radically different idea for what the future looks like. So who's going to win the race to put a robot in every home and factory?
Let's meet them. In one corner, you've got an established titan of industry, and in the other, a seriously fast-rising challenger that's backed by some of the biggest names you can imagine.
Here they are. On one side, we've got Tesla with its Optimus robot, and they're bringing a massive manufacturing and AI foundation to the fight. And on the other side, the challenger, Figure AI. They're a newer company that has just exploded onto the scene with its robot, Figure 01, and a laser focus on true artificial intelligence.
So, what's Tesla's game plan? Well, it's all about scale. Optimus is using the enormous amount of data and the really sophisticated AI that Tesla already built for its self-driving cars. This isn't just some lab project. It's being designed from day one to be mass-produced. I mean, Elon Musk's entire empire is built on manufacturing, and that is their secret weapon.
But Figure AI's strategy? It could not be more different. They've put together an absolute all-star team of backers. You've got Microsoft for the cloud, NVIDIA for the processing power, and the real game changer, OpenAI. Their focus isn't just on building a machine, it's on giving that machine a brain that can actually think, reason, and talk with you in real time.
So we know their strategies, but what can these robots actually do, like right now? This is where the race gets really, really interesting.
You can just see the two different philosophies right here on display. Tesla's Optimus is all about physical ability, advanced mobility, balance, and those delicate fine motor skills. Figure 01, on the other hand, is leading with its mind, its ability to understand, to reason, and to communicate, all thanks to its intelligence-first approach.
Let's just take a look at Tesla's progress. We've seen those videos of the Optimus bot showing off some pretty incredible balance. It can even do yoga poses. But more practically, it's developing fine motor skills, like being able to delicately sort battery cells on an assembly line. This is a robot that is truly built for the factory floor. But then, Figure AI went and did something that pretty much shocked the world. They announced their partnership and a really deep integration with OpenAI, the folks who made ChatGPT. And this wasn't just a small update, it was a fundamental leap in what a humanoid robot could even be.
So, what does this actually mean? Well, it means the Figure 01 robot can literally look around a room and tell you, out loud, what it sees. It can reason through a command like, "Hey, can I have something to eat?" and then decide to hand you an apple from a dish nearby. And this is the incredible part, it can explain why it made that choice.
And this is the crucial difference. The robot isn't just following some pre-written code. It is observing, it's understanding, and it's making decisions on the fly. It's not just programmed, it's actually learning.
So this brings us to the bigger picture. I mean, why are these companies pouring billions and billions of dollars into this technology? What is the end game here?
Well, at its core, both companies are saying they have a shared mission to solve labor shortages. They believe these robots can fill the dangerous, the repetitive, or just the undesirable jobs that there just aren't enough human workers for. This is the massive economic problem they're both trying to fix. And here's the rollout plan. It starts in pretty controlled environments like warehouses and factories. Then they'll move to more complex places like construction sites. And the final frontier? Getting these things into our homes, helping out with household chores, and maybe even elder care.
So it all comes back to this central conflict, right? Does Tesla's massive advantage in manufacturing win out, letting them pump out millions of capable, affordable robots first? Or will Figure AI's lightning-fast, intelligence-first approach create a robot so smart and so adaptable that it makes everything else obsolete before it can even hit the production line?
Of course, you can't have this conversation without getting to the big question that looms over all of AI. Are we building a future full of helpful, friendly assistants that are going to bring about a new era of abundance? Or are we walking straight into a classic sci-fi nightmare, an iRobot scenario we just can't control?
We don't have the answer to that yet, but what we know for sure is that this is no longer some theoretical debate for the future. The starting gun has been fired, and the humanoid race is officially on. What happens in the next couple of years will probably define the next couple of decades.
So that leaves the final question for you. After seeing the strategies and the different capabilities, which approach do you think is going to win? Is it the manufacturing might of Team Tesla or the super intelligent design of Team Figure? Let me know which side you're on in the comments below.